At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, the mayor of Kingston, Councillor Andrew Swaby, on Tuesday refuted what he said are politically motivated claims being circulated on social media that the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, is planning to raise market fees and forcibly remove vendors from the streets of the city. My wisdom warriors, I am here. Hatafa the press is here to let the whole Jamaica know, say that is a lie. That is Jamaica Labour Party propaganda. No go so. No time, not all, no dear. The mayor of Kingston says no plan to increase market fees. So me make you know, say it is only a propaganda. General election a come and the Labourite them out here a tell pure lie. You understand? The Labourite them out here is telling lie on the PNP. You can't imagine? All Mr. Swaby them a tell lie on our mayor, our mayor will come out and work so hard and help the homeless, and Desmond Mackenzie I take a credit. You understand me? Remember say we mayor do that, Remember say we mayor do that, So why we mayor I go do such thing? Why we mayor I go increase the market fees? He wanna do such a thing. So on a dirty kin and copper color labor, right? Let me tell you something, man. On stop spread propaganda cause Andrew Owens now get another term. Wanna hear me? No matter what you do, Andrew Owens now get another term. You get me? Jamaican people want a change. You don't hear what Andrew Owens say. Andrew Owens is the same very person who come out and say EMP, they are not performing. EMP not performing, and the Labourite supporters them out here attack every day how the MP is working. Andrew Owens say MP them is not performing. But Andrew Owens, stick up in. And you raise the MP the money, to 300%. Because you say the only way you and your MP them can work unless them get a pay rise and then get 300% pay rise and then they get lazy. You need to remove that 300% now. You need to remove that 300% now and give that 300% to the Jamaican people. And that me I tell you, that is what you need to do. That is what you need to do, my wisdom warriors, because they are all out here spreading propaganda. EMP they and do no work. I him come out and say it, and me, Andrew Owens, me talk about it yesterday. He come out and say he know EMP them is not performing. So why did you raise their pay to 300%? You raised their pay to 300% because they weren't performing, and then get the 300% and then still not perform. So what that mean? That means say uno feel lift up from out of House of Parliament. That means say uno is not there for the Jamaican people. That means say uno there for uno self to scrape everything. Mark Golding was right all along, my wisdom warriors. Mark Golding was right all along. I come for scrape. That's why they have 28 bank account, and who to tell I could have all more bank account and we don't know. Maybe by court done, we find out say more than 28 account. My wisdom warriors, a time for we put a stop in to these criminals. A full time we put a stop into these criminals. Them time is up. They need to lift up from out of House of Parliament. They no mean us well at all. We have to get rid of them. And the only way to get rid of them, Jamaica, is put a X beside the head. No. Me want to remember, November 22nd, down at Ian and Town, Ian and people, me want to roll out, Me want to go put the X beside the head, Remember Morant B, a rose down there, so, my wisdom warriors. Me want to run good down there, and go put the X beside the head. Anyway, taking this. An unknown bug is afflicting the island's two largest prisons, triggering a wave of concern among staff and inmates. The Gleaner understands that Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in downtown Kingston and St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center in Spanish Town have seen an increase in medical emergencies over the past 72 hours. My wisdom warriors, facilities see increase in flu-like symptoms, rotted wall. Our really are going. I want to go on with the prisoners, them, my wisdom warriors. There's a deadly disease I go on right now in the prison, them. What is going on? What is going on? One inmate dead, you know. One inmate dead already. What is going on? A time for you to come clean, you know, and tell Jamaican people what is happening to the prisoners. We want to know what is going on. Not because they're in a prison, you know, and they lock away, you know. Means so we not gonna stand up for them in Jamaica. Prisoners, we no listen, we no forget to you know. We no forget to know. We know say enough of uno in there that are innocent youth. Some of uno reach out to me. Me know say enough of uno in the prison them innocent. Uno they are jail innocently. Uno no do nothing but things spin pa uno. This is why we can't give up half of them, my wisdom warriors. We cannot give up half of the prisoners them because people can change. People can change and turn them life around. This is why I not understand why them are cuss Isaac. Because Isaac got prison. He do the crime, he do the time, and he come out, and he's a great man. Yes, he is. Greatness is in Isaac. Look what Isaac come and do. You understand me? So listen to me, man. When there is life, there is hope. Let me tell you now. Where there is life, I don't have life, there is hope. You get me? I mean, I like what going in the prison, how everybody's so quiet. Nobody now come out and say nothing. No doctor now come out and talk. Head minister now come out and say nothing. What is going on with the prisoners? Them. You understand? We need to know what is going on. We need to know what is going on. What is causing this? What is causing this type of symptoms? Come on, we need answers. And why one inmate dead? We need answers. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this and tell me how you feel about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
Position spokesperson on tourism and linkages. Today I was on the ground with hotel workers from Breathless and Secrets Resorts during their protest. We must do better for the people who are the backbone of spokesperson on tourism and linkages. Today I was on the ground with hotel workers from Breathless and Secrets Resorts during their protest. Hearing their stories of overwork, underpaid double shifts and being ignored left me deeply concerned. These are consistent stories that show we must do better for the people who are the backbone of Jamaica's tourism industry. As I said earlier today, yes, we want investors to make profits, but our people should also feel the profits. Workers are vital to this industry's success and we cannot continue to overwork them, ignore their concerns, and fail to compensate them fairly. The Minister of Tourism has a responsibility to ensure that the focus is not just on investors and constant addition of hotel rooms, but on creating fair conditions for the workers who sustain this industry. At this rate, as I said today, we won't have willing people to work in these many hotels that are coming on stream. Jamaica's tourism success depends on these workers, and it's time we put them first. The opposition stands with them, and I continue to fight for their rights and well-being.
All me know say, the government no care about nobody but themselves. You know, see the first thing what Andrew Wallace do, raise in workers them pay, in MP them pay to 300% because he say from them get 300% pay rise, that means that them are going to perform good. But look, him same one come out and say MP they not perform good. Him same one. So you better you take the 300% and give it to all these hotel workers and everybody, every workers in Jamaica. Because them a perform, them overwork. Them overwork and underpay. And you need to put something in place. You need to put a union in place. What is going on? Ministry of Labour on the work list, sir. Go put in a union for the people them. Oh, I really a galang in Jamaica. What really a galang? And the next thing we want to address, Mr. Janice Allen go down there. And you know what? Me have to really, me don't, you see, me see the separation in the news media. Me see separation in the news media. And let me tell you something in life, and this a facts me I tell you now. You see, when you start bring things for media, yeah, when you start bring things for media and it's virtual, it's just a matter of time, everything turned physical. Yeah, me I tell you no, it's just reality. Because there's a lot of hate towards the PNP, a lot of threats towards the PNP. And when you do things like this, eventually everything are going to manifest physically. You get me? Because this thing with Jamaica Labour Party do, they're separating the media. Yeah, the Jamaica Labour Party I do it because me see Observer. I want to bear in mind, say, Observer. Matthew Samuda's wife is the deputy managing director of Observer. When you hear, when you go and go Google it, in a hide. Observer takes side with JLP. Me not have to say allege. It is the truth. It is the truth. Yeah, it is the truth. Me not say not allege. Because it's just the truth, my wisdom warriors. Because everything that is bad when it comes to PNP, Observer put it out. When there is good, I know me not say them put out ISAT. They not put out the good thing. They not put it out and show what go on. Nationwide is the same thing. Them I want next one. But my wisdom warriors, a real thing me I tell you, you know. Jamaica Labour Party, them separate the Jamaican people till they make media turn against the Jamaican people. And that happen because from you turn against the opposition leader, you're turning against the people of Jamaica. Me want the news media know that. Una don't know news media again. Una don't know news media again. Una not doing this for the Jamaican people. Una not do this for the love of Jamaica. Could it be they're doing it for the love of money? Could it be they're doing it of the love of money? My wisdom warriors, seriously. Cause Mr. Janice Allen gone up, she was the first one on the scene. And me not see Observer put her out. Me not see Observer put her out, my wisdom warriors. What is going on? Me not even see TVJ bring her either. But they were on the scene. It's what me I try to show you now. It is a sad situation when one man, one criminal man can separate the people. It is very sad for Jamaica. I'm going to use and quote Andrew Wellness words. It is a dark day for Jamaica. It is Andrew Wellness words that. That's why I quote it. It's a dark day for Jamaica. Because from one criminal man can separate the people and then now he manage to control the media. We're in a trouble, Jamaica, because now the media take side. So me I show you now, they might take side. Because Observer, come and explain to us, TVJ, you come and explain to us then, why you never show Janice? Janice was there. Janice was there. That's why I try showing my wisdom warriors. So, you see, that's why I telling you, say, you see, in life, we have, listen, we have to, we have to be realistic, yeah? And we have to talk facts. And the amount of hatred are pushed towards the PNP. The amount of hatred, PNP humbly, remember, the whole of the mass shooting them in a PNP area, And PNP a whole it same way, man. PNP a humble same way, man. And them a pull through, same way, man. And them a hold it down, like a G, But the Labourite, them still a dig. And them a dig. And them a dig. I don't know what them a look for. I don't know what them a look for. But I wonder if them a go find it. I wonder if them a go find what them a look for, my wisdom warriors. Me I tell you now. No matter what they do to PNP hold it like a G. Me I tell you no straight. But you have to understand. You have to understand. You Labourite, you can't go around and hurt the PNP people them like that. You Labourite supporters and you send threats. You the one that send threats and come in a people comment section and write what I go do and what this and what that. Me screenshot everything. Me screenshot and me make sure I have everything on file. Because I know, Me know some people in my wisdom warriors, they want ready to do this and do that. So me make sure so me have me file them ready. Comment everything, every message what them send, me have it ready. You understand? The Labourite them, uno need for bill. Because uno like for trouble people, but when PNP start pa uno man, uno turn fool, uno turn idiot, uno no know if you do it on yourself, uno go on like uno big bad and bold. Uno dirty king Labourite. I saw uno behave taking set pan PNP and PNP in and trouble uno. And me can't believe say one man separate the media. One man do that. How is that possible? Is it fear? Could it be fear? Could it be fear, my wisdom warriors? We have to think, you know. Or could it be they get paid? That's why I use the word could it be. You understand me? Me don't like that. News media. Me not like them style here. And that's how no behave. And that's how no behave. Even with ISAT, you don't post ISAT. You don't post ISAT. And all them something there. It's not right. It is not right, man. If you want to love Jamaica and no one changes, man, do the right thing, brother. Do the right thing, man. My wisdom warriors, you tell me one thing, yeah, man. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. But wait, the rotted all me forget. I want to take a look at this video. Take a look at this and tell me if it makes sense. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. What the Labourite them do say? Me I feel laugh. Just look. Me look off this one because I pure music did I play. Just look. Look how them a pitchy road. Watch out. Watch there. What is that? What is that? All that must cost all 250,000. Hey, Lord Jesus. Watch it. About 250,000 then now, you know. This makes sense, my wisdom warriors. Talk the truth where God love. Talk truth. What them I do? Wanna see why the road them always a mash up. Wanna see the what is that them a you know what? My wisdom warriors, that me did want to know for see. Seriously. That me did want to know for see. But before I go, I have another video because a couple is their first time to Negril and this is what they have to say.
How are you?
Taking
Good,
this.
how are you?
I always did it today.
It was lovely.
Good.
It was
So tell me, is this your first time to Jamaica?
It is. Not to Jamaica, but to Negril.
Oh, great. And how was the flight coming down?
The flight was beautiful. The airport was beautiful. We got through the airport very quickly, but the drive here was horrendous.
Tell me what the problem was.
It was 4 hours on a bumpy road. The road conditions were just... If you want people to come back to Negril and to come to Jamaica and enjoy everything you have, then you have to build infrastructure, and the roads to get here make you think twice about coming back, because it took us 4 hours to get from the airport to here, which was longer than my flight from Toronto, Canada to here.
Unbelievable. Well, you know, the government is on a mission. They're doing a bypass from the Montego Bay Airport, so you don't have to go through the town. And they're fixing the roads, they're widening the roads, and I'm hoping that they listen to what our people, what the guests are saying, what the visitors are
Do you think
saying.
you can get them to do it quicker so we can come back?
You know how governments work.
Because you're building more and more hotels,
I know.
which are going to make the roads even more busier, right?
Yes.
And you're just going to frustrate people and leave them with a bad taste in their mouth, and then they won't come back. They'll go somewhere else.
Very well said, Betty. And I want to thank you, but I hope you won't forget about us and maybe give us a next chance and see if you don't have a better trip and probably come on a Sunday.
Okay, deal. Never on a Friday.
Okay. Thank you.
So my wisdom warriors, when you hear what the couple have to say, when you see the people they not like the road, you understand? At them first time in a Negril, them like Negril, yes, but them don't like the road. The road put them off. The road turn them right off. And you only see the business with the road. But and you want to say, I'm going to do a Sparks program. I want to know how it go already. I just through general election. And what Andrew want to say, do, them themselves, you know. Them themselves are going to go through each area and buy out the people them. This even in a PNP area. I buy them, I go buy them way through election. But may God intervene. May God intervene. When you not buy out the people them I say, So you stay there. A PNP, a power within there. And that me want to know Jamaican people for say, come. Remember say me can't tell you no say, don't take the money, Me can't tell you no that. But one thing I can tell you no, vote for change. Put the X beside the head. My wisdom warriors, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Me people, me want to know follow me on TikTok. The link I got in the comment section. Me want to know run go over to my other channel, PNP News Round, and subscribe. Get me to 5K. Alright? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Attack for the Press. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.
Me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them Labourites they forgot, Them two one caring, man. Make sure say my mark the ex right, so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex, yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex, yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that ex, yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah, man. See that ex, yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves. And I can't get little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you work long hours and can't get no pay, if you go a foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex, yeah? This is because that time they take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex, yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where them try to run the country under. You see one there right there, so I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.